Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the remote PC is reachable and allowed for RDP. First, enable Remote Desktop and verify the account has a strong password. Windows blocks blank credentials. Next, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig to copy the IP4 address. That's the destination you'll use. Make sure Windows Firewall has a rule for Remote Desktop, and if the machine sits behind a router, forward port 3389 to that internal IP. Once done, you're ready to initiate the client connection. You now open your remote desktop client and paste the IP4 address into the connection field. Before you hit connect, expand options to configure display resolution, local drives and printers, and clipboard sharing so files can move between machines. This prevents surprises after login. Enter credentials using domain \username or \username for local accounts, then authenticate. If a certificate warning appears, verify the certificate fingerprint or the host identity. Accept it only if you recognize the machine. Once you finish by customizing the session, resize, map additional drives, and save settings to an RDP file so future connections are one click. If you can't connect, go straight to diagnostics. Ping the IP, attempt telnet to port 3389 to confirm reachability, and review Windows Event Viewer on the server for logon or network errors. Make sure the IP didn't change and firewall or router port forwarding is still active. Restarting the Remote Desktop Services service often clears stale sessions and fixes access problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.